Yo, what's good everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones back with yet another video for your head top. Right now, I'm over here at Holla Crib. Are y'all recording? Oh my check. Right now, I'm over here at Holla Crib. I got the squad with me. We just came back from hooping. Y'all might see some of that footage over there on my second channel, but I ain't gonna count it, boy. It's kinda, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look. So, today we kinda got like an action-packed day, but we still finished some stuff a little bit earlier as far as like hooping and all that. We kind of got up at like 10 o'clock, so that's out the picture. However, I do have two sneakers that's in right now. One that you probably seen on the thumbnail, and another one that's in a box. It's in a box. Don't know where that box is. Let me find the box. Okay, let me find the box. You seen the box?
What box?
Have you seen the box?
And that shit, bro.
It's Roddy Rich?
No, not Roddy Rich. The box I came here with. The box I'm unboxing. Oh, you for real?
Oh, that one?
No, you opened this box. It's not this box. I gave you two boxes. I gave you your box and my box.
You ain't give me no box. The only person who give me some boxes.
Okay. All right. Now, honestly, I am very, I don't want to say upset because right now we in the pandemic right now. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to say I'm upset because I understand that shipments can be late. But bro, I bought these shoes so long ago, like so long ago. To the point where, bro, I don't even know if I want these anymore.
Oh,
how would you feel?
Say less. You're selling your shoes anyway, you know what I'm saying?
That is not okay. How would you feel, bro, if you bought a pair of shoes in, let's say, it's August now. So say you bought a pair of shoes maybe like July 11th and they just came here August 1st.
That's straight. Yeah.
What if you bought them July 1st and they just come into your possession like August 1st?
Coronavirus.
So you cool with that?
That's corona. Did you pay for expedited shipping?
I did.
Oh, that's tough. I would've gave them the beats. They would've got the beats for sure.
Look. A lot of y'all be like, Snipe, you know what I'm saying? You cry too much, you watch too much. Or not a lot of y'all, just a few of y'all. But this is what I'm saying, okay? I understand it's a pandemic going on, bro. But when we live in a world where your sneaker value is determined.
How soon you
exactly. So the value of your sneaker is determined by how fast you get it. For example,
basically you're saying you're not in the sneaker game for the love, you're in it for the money.
No,
that's
but
tough.
no, it's a business. Sneakers, the way sneakers is set up is the earlier you get the shoe, the more valuable it is because it's not released. So it'd be different if I did something that had nothing to do with timing. Sneakers is timing. You can buy a shoe right now and it can go for $500. 2 weeks later, it goes for $100.
Yeah.
Time matters. So I'm not upset because it's a pandemic. I understand workers gotta do their job. I'm just upset for the hell of it, basically, because this shoe isn't worth anything. Huh?
Yeah, everybody should take a long time?
Probably the people who had to ship it, but you know, these were sold in stores too. Unfortunately, I didn't hit in the in-store. I had to wait and get them shipped. All I'm saying is the value of this shoe is doo-doo right now, and I think I could have had better value when I got the shoe on time. I could have traded something for it, I could have sold something for it, and now it's just too late. But anyway, if you want to see what this shoe is, then make sure you check out my next video because I'm not unboxing this. I'm unboxing another sneaker that somebody sent me, a company actually sent me, and you probably know what it is if you follow me on Instagram, but if you don't, I recorded this before I came here. So let's roll into that real quick. Let's just do that. Oh man, it don't even feel right not having sneakers behind me. I got a feeling that spot, It's just new to me. All right, it's just a new vibe. Anyway, yo, what is good, everybody? Hey, like I said, wait, let me do this the right way. Here we have the huge package over from Reebok. I'm excited, man. Whenever I'm able to get packages in, it excites me, bro. I remember, like I always say, just like being a YouTuber, watching other YouTubers, watching other content creators, always want, you know what, this is really bothering me. Y'all gotta kind of see the table at least. Hold up, it's a little bit better. Anyway, I remember watching content creators all the time, and I was like, yo, bro, I can't wait till I hit the certain point where I'm working with companies because it's just so cool to be able to actually work with these companies that you've been wearing, that you've been spending money with, that you built relationships with as a fan, and now to be doing it on this level is amazing. So huge shout out to Reebok for sending these over. I'm gonna go ahead and stop wasting y'all time here. But yeah, the colorway is fire. They will have a few other colorways. I believe the sneaker does not release until August 4th, if I'm not mistaken. August 4th is when this shoe releases. So an early special for y'all one time. So hopefully y'all enjoying this content. By the way, while we waiting, man, can y'all please smash and hit the like button. The reason being is because a lot of y'all don't know, when you're a YouTuber, smashing the like button goes a long way, bro. It helps me in the algorithm. It helps people understand, like, when you be watching my videos or however you find my videos, when you see like the recommended, that's how you help me become recommended and help YouTube push my videos by smashing the like button. So do that for me. I appreciate it. All right, here we have them. They done bubble wrapped them for me. Made sure that they came here all fresh and dandy. Is this like special packaging? Hold on now. If this is special packaging, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be extra excited because when they do all the extra to the boxes, that makes it really cool. I'm not gonna cap. And I think it is like a content creator pack. This is so dope. Okay, I think so. Let me not make a fool of myself and open this up and it be nothing. But the reason why I think it is because this is an unreleased sneaker. And on top of that, it has Write Your Legacy on the side because that's a part of the partnership that we're doing. It's the Write Your Legacy partnership. So let me open this up. And yes, it has a card that says, let me see if it says anything in particular. We are excited to share the latest creation from Reebok Classics, the Classic Leather Legacy. An initial part of creating the future is understanding the past. The Reebok Classic Leather Legacy is a blend of DNA from the Aztec and the Leather Classic silhouettes. Merging the best two designs from both silhouettes, we give you our new heritage running through the future lens. Show us how you have started to write your own legacy and what you're creating by representing and presenting and handing down your legacy and tell people what it means to you. Best Team Reebok. Shout out to Reebok. This, like I told you guys, is a Write Your Legacy campaign. So in an Instagram post that I will be posting, I'll be talking about my legacy a little bit, what I've been through, what I hope to leave behind. Wow, here it is, man. The Reebok Write Your Legacy. Like I said, it is a mix blend of the Aztec and the Classic Leather silhouette. So here we have it, man. I did really like this color. Y'all know I love orange. I thought that the tan blue on the eyelid, it got tan all the way around the sneaker. Definitely a cool little mix. Now, of course, they will be having some different colorways out there, but I was able to pick through a selection of different colorways that I thought best fit me, and I really like this one. I thought this was really cool. I like the earth tones, and this is more my speed. I can actually throw it on with these. But yeah, this is my speed right here. This is something I like. I rock with these. So I'm gonna put this up real quick. Yeah, man. I mean, this kind of reminds me of like it got like a Sakai waffle type thing going on. You see right here on the top, how they got like the little two nipples on here on the top like a Sakai waffle. I had a few pairs of Sakai waffles, and it also reminds me of a Sakai waffle from the back. I mean, the back isn't as pushed out as the waffle, but I mean, this part is. It definitely got some waffle vibes. If you have a pair of Sakai waffles, then you know what I'm talking about. They got like the two nipples up front, the two little headlights right here, and then they have like the huge bottom chunk of the outer sole is like left behind this. Off the back, this shoe looks super comfortable. I know Reebok had also sent me another pair of sneakers. I know we did something for the Reebok Allen Iverson joint, the double cross. That was fire. That event was cool. If you had never watched that video, then I definitely think you should go and check that out because that video was fire. But they sent me a pair of, what were those? It was the Reebok Classic. Yeah, I think it was just like a regular pair of Reebok Classics. Let me see if I got those over here. These were very, very cool, and these are very comfortable. And I think these would probably be more comfortable than those. And I think these are a little bit more stylish. This style is a little bit more flamboyant to me. So man, like I said, man, huge thanks to Reebok, and let's get a cool little review over these real quick. So as we check out the outer sole of this sneaker, we kind of get like some nice foam type material on the outer sole. I'm not really sure exactly what's inside the midsole of the sneaker, but it feels like foam. It's super comfortable, super squishy, and we have the rubber outsole with the Reebok logo in the back heel, as well as this UNC blue or like a teal blue back heel as well. Moving up to the midsole, we get an all white midsole in the front, but headed to the back, you get the tan that you'll see on the upper and the dominant color of the shoe. Now, like I said, on the front of the shoe, almost close to the toe box area or the front of the toe box, you see like this rubber dot design that kind of reminds me of the Sakai waffle a little bit, just because I've never really seen that design on too many other sneakers. That's the first one to come to mind. Checking out the toe box, is almost like a suede around the toe box, around the brim. When you head to the upper, it's more like a canvas type material. It's very soft. It feels like it has a lot of breathing. So it definitely gives me comfy vibes. Moving up to the lace system of the shoe, you get the same teal blue that's on the back heel of the shoe on the lace system, which is pretty cool. I feel like they did a good job with displaying the colors. You also see that teal blue right here on the insole of the shoe too, so they spaced it out pretty good. All white laces. I don't think they came with any spare laces, but you do see the huge Reebok logo over here in orange. Another thing that I seen that was kind of cool, kind of modern, is they got like that distressed tongue, kind of like what Virgil does, or kind of like with Nike do to a lot of their stuff. So I don't know if y'all can see that. If it focus, can you focus? Okay, there we go. You see like how they had the stretched tongue? I like that. It's pretty fire, very modern. Got the Reebok Classic logo on the side of the sneaker, kind of like patched on or stitched on with like some type of leather material on there, and also has the Reebok logo on the back, and finally the Reebok Classic on the tongue. As I told you guys, this sneaker will be releasing, I believe, August 4th. So if you are looking forward to any Reebok Classics or any Reebok sneakers, this is definitely one of the shoes that I would say go for. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on the Reebok Write Your Legacy down below. And yeah, what do you think about this colorway? I'm pretty sure you can Google other colorways. There are more. So if you like the silhouette and not the colorway, then just stay tuned, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna have something that you like. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.